Hi, this is Dr. Shikha Gupta. I'm the founder of iSetu. So, this whole platform is designed to be able to cater to the advanced home eye care services and to make a social impact to prevent the social irreversible blindness and the late detection of the diseases. We have designed home based kits where the patients can be tested at the comfort of their homes. The whole team goes there to test for the patients, and advanced testing is done, which includes vision testing, refraction, cataract screening, fundus evaluation, IOP measurement, and through an inbuilt app that iSetu team has designed, we have all the reports come in from the optometrist to the user and shared with the doctor online. Teleconsultation is performed at the same time, and medicines and glasses, if required, are prescribed at the same time and delivered to the patient. And if the patient requires any surgical intervention, the patient is facilitated through Surgery Setu, which is a part of the iSetu platform. So throughout this journey, AFI has really been really supportive, in the sense that I, being a doctor myself and new to this business venture, I had no idea exactly how the business is performed, and I studied myself, I discussed with a lot of people, and through these discussions, solutions come out. And AFI has been instrumental in providing guidance and insights from the leaders of the industry who suggested various ways through which iSetu can go about and find out solutions for its own problems. The lead mentor, Mr. Veera, we have had 3 sessions with him. And in these sessions, he first tried to understand what iSetu is about and where are the roadblocks. And we had joint interaction and insights from him how we can go about further. So some of the tips that he suggested, like segregating the B2B and B2C models, were quite helpful for us in analyzing our trends. And some of the B2B strategies that he has suggested, we have been working on that. For example, working with the optometrists and the optical shops, and many more insights from other mentors also have been helpful, and our team is working on that. So this relationship with AFI, which we could foster, and we could speak our mind out, we could actually ask for suggestions, that too through voluntary help. The mentors were all voluntary, and there was no fees involved in this, which was really supportive for a young startup like ours, where there is always a crunch of money. I think has been really helpful, and it has of course helped us pave the journey forward. The team, including Glossy and Prateek, who were the back-end team who were aligning us to the different mentors, they were also very supportive, and we could connect to them at any time and ask them questions that we needed to move forward in our journey. So the other things, there were we had various huddle sessions, because a startup involves various things which we need to understand. So we had other sessions with other mentors, like one for how to go about approvals for your AI devices, how to go about privacy and data security, how to increase your business. So we had different sessions on different topics, which was really important and helpful to us. So for the upcoming future cohort leaders, I think this is the way to go. This is one of the bright spots in your journey as a startup, and AFI will prove to be really instrumental in connecting with the required mentors and helping you pave your journey forward. And the relationship, I think, will not get over with 6 months cohort, and we always have these at our back end. Hopefully will be ready to support us in any roadblocks that we face.